Good day, everyone. Welcome to Data Ratify. Today, I am excited to share with you two powerful Excel functions, VLOOKUP and XLOOKUP. These functions are essential for anyone working with data, whether you are managing employee records, tracking inventory, or analyzing sales performance. To make this session relatable, we will use a fun dataset where employee names are fruits and gems and their locations are familiar Nigerian cities. Let's dive in and see how these tools can make finding information quick and efficient. Let's start with VLOOKUP, which stands for vertical lookup. It's like asking Excel to find something for you in a column and bring back related information from another column. Here's our hypothetical data set. Imagine we want to know the department of the employee with employee ID 1004. We select any cell and type the formula equal to VLOOKUP, and we open our brackets inside the employee ID, in this case 1004, copy the range of data, in this case A2 to E31, select 3, which tallies with the department column, and false because we want an exact match. Here, Excel searches the employee ID column for 1004 and goes across to the third column, which is department, and returns IT. So employee with ID 1004 is in the IT department. This is how VLOOKUP works. It always looks vertically in the first column and retrieves data from a column number that you specify. But here's the thing, VLOOKUP has limitations. For instance, the lookup column must be the first column in your range, and it only works vertically. Now, let me introduce you to a game changer, XLOOKUP. XLOOKUP is the modern flexible sibling of VLOOKUP. It doesn't care where your lookup column is. It works both vertically and horizontally. Imagine that you want to find the location of an employee named Orange Emerald. With XLOOKUP, here's the formula. Equal to XLOOKUP, and you open a bracket in inverted commas. We're interested in employee Orange Emerald. Then we highlight the range of employee names to match, and then the range of locations to return. In this case, E2 to E31. And we give an optional message if no match is found. So we want Excel to return a phrase, in this case, not found, if we don't find the name Orange Emerald. In this case here, we see that Excel has searched for Orange Emerald in the employee name column and has retrieved the corresponding value from the location column, the result being Abuja. So Orange Emerald is a staff in our Abuja branch. What makes XLOOKUP even better is if Orange Emerald isn't found, it will return not found instead of an error. And it works both vertically and horizontally. Now let's make things interactive. Imagine that you want to find an employee's salary based on their name, but the name is selected dynamically from a drop-down list. So here's how this works. Create a drop-down list in Excel using data validation and select the employee name column. Recall from our last class that we go to Data tab and click Data Validation. And then we select List under Allow. In the source field, we enter the range containing the data that we're interested in matching. For example, employee name. And then we click OK. So we want to match employee name. So cell K2 contains the selected employee, let's say Banana Ruby. Now, we want to find an employee salary based on their name. So let's do that in cell L2. We type the XLOOKUP formula and we say select from K2 from the range of employee names. We want to find salary, so we're dealing with salary. And I want you to return the phrase not found. So there we go. Banana Ruby earns 600,000 naira. Okay, so whenever we select any name, for example, Grace Topaz, the formula dynamically shows their salary. Grace Topaz earns 580,000 naira. This flexibility makes XLOOKUP an indispensable tool. And it goes on with all the columns in this data and also in your own data. We can decide to apply this to location. It's going to be the same thing. We attach we enter the XLOOKUP formula and say again, picking from here based on the employees. We want you to match location and please return the phrase not found. We do not find that name. So you see, Grace Topaz earns 580,000 naira and works from our Enugu branch. Lemon Quartz earns 540,000 naira and works in our Lagos branch. To summarize, we discussed the use of two powerful functions in Excel, the VLOOKUP and the XLOOKUP. The VLOOKUP is great for straightforward vertical searches, and the XLOOKUP is the modern, versatile alternative that gives you more control and flexibility. Both tools can save you hours when managing large data sets. Today's examples with fruits, gems, and Nigerian cities demonstrate how you can use them. Thank you for joining me today. Until next time, happy data analyzing.